Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update KB5078127 not installing on Windows 11. First, open Settings. Go to Windows Update and pause updates for now. Close the Settings window. Next, open the Services window by searching for it in the Windows search. When the app opens, find App Readiness in the list. Right-click on it and open Properties. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Apply and then Stop. Now, find the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Apply and stop the service. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, apply the change and stop the service. Now, open Local Disk C, then open the Windows folder. Find the Software Distribution folder and delete it. If it does not delete, go back to Services. Make sure Windows Update is stopped, then try again. Now return to Services. Set Windows Update to Automatic and start it. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Try checking for updates again. It should install normally now. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.